So I'm outside with my landlord. I made a video before, and I didn't want to upload it, but still, here is the aftermath. I will show you. It looks like there's a dang river over here. Whoa, that's some weird looking muck. Anyways, yep, it knocked over the dang fence. What did the fence do to you? But yeah, I've never seen my basement before until now, today. So here's the basement. Hello. I'm recording a video for my YouTube feed.
Alright, I don't want to be on your YouTube video.
Okay. But yeah, so this has really damaged it. So we had to move the rocks out of the way. So that's why there's a huge pile of rocks over there. And I feel bad for my poor Aunt Felicia. She lives all the way down the hill, and there's like it's as big as her car, the landlord's car. And there's two people walking their dogs. Yeah. And there's thousands of rocks here. That's where we put the rocks. And then there's Reagan and Micah. Yeah, I think that's them. But yeah.